Wow. Anyone else tried these white monsters? Shit. Insane. What's going on, guys? It's your boy STYLINJOGGERS and welcome back to my channel and to today's video. Alright, I know I'm a little bit late, well, I'm 4 days late in fact with this upload, but it is for good reason, guys. So from now on, you can now expect 2 uploads every single week, not just 1, but 2. So every single Wednesday and every single Sunday, you can expect an upload from me. So yeah, make sure you drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what kind of content you want to see. Give me some video ideas that's obviously based around like the men's fashion and hair type of content. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below what you want to see with that. Yeah, enough of all that. Now on to today's video, where I'm buzzing. I'm absolutely, yeah, I'm just buzzing for today's video. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you already know that I've copped the Cole Buxton warm-up sweatpants, which I'm just buzzing for. So yeah, if you follow me on Instagram already, you already know this. So today's video, we're going to be unboxing, reviewing, and potentially, weather dependent, potentially styling the Cole Buxton warm-up sweatpants. Alright, and here we have the mighty Cole Buxton joggers. Obviously I've already cut open like the taping that goes across the top of the box, guys, but it comes with this like branded Cole Buxton taping, and then inside, wow, come on. Alright, so inside we have like a little thank you card, thank you for investing, Cole Buxton branding, and then obviously just your standard invoice, throw that down there. But the good stuff, oh my god. Just straight off the bat, look at this packaging, guys. It's a bit loud. Wow, that's actually sick packaging. Like, I love how minimal it is. I've read up on the website, and this packaging is made out of 100% recycled paper, which is obviously sick. Yeah, I actually rate this packaging. I love brands that go that extra mile with like the packaging and how like the products that you're buying, with how they arrive, how they're presented. And obviously Cole Buxton have gone that extra mile. Yeah, this is sick. But yeah, this is the packaging, guys. Sorry if it's a bit loud, but let's open this up. Oh my god. They are heavy. Shit, man. Like, I actually can't believe how heavy they are. Like, obviously on their website they're advertised as like heavy joggers, but shit, they are heavy. Right, so yeah, these are the joggers, guys. They come with, obviously they've got the branded swing tags. Again, I'm 99.9% sure this is like recycled paper. So just some details on these, guys. First things first, these are 100% cotton. They are knitted and manufactured here in the UK, down in London. They are 550 GSM, which basically means they're ridiculously heavy, ridiculously good quality. They ain't gonna shrink. I've never felt a pair of joggers as heavy as these in my life, but that's because they're 550 GSM. I got these in the slate grey colorway. I'm pretty sure the camera can probably pick it up. It's like a washed grey. And the reason for that is because these joggers are pigment dyed. So if you're not too sure what pigment dyed means, basically these joggers would have been like manufactured and produced as like a very light color. So they were probably like a white or a very light grey, and then they'd have been pigment dyed, like hand dyed here in the UK, to give it that like that washed grey look. And the good thing about that is it means that every single pair is going to be like individual. It's going to have its own little colour to it. You know, every single pair is slightly different, which I think is pretty sick. And then with the seams, guys, I'm not too sure if the camera actually picks it up, but if it does, if you can see like the sew going down here, these are like a flat lay sew, which basically means it gives it that like really cool old school vintage look. And yeah, they're just overall a sick pair of joggers. So I'm 6 foot and I went with the size large. Now, I wanted these to be like a little bit more, I basically just didn't want them to be skin tight. And especially with these having that like cropped look, that I could definitely get away with going up to a size large. So that's what I did. And yeah, I've actually not tried these on yet, so hopefully they look as good on as what they do here. But before it starts raining, guys, which is going to be raining very, very soon, let's jump outside and see how I like to style the Cole Buxton Slate Grey joggers. And there we have it, guys. So obviously on the bottom we have the Cole Buxton Slate Grey joggers. I paired that with this oversized t-shirt that is from Uniqlo. I'm going to talk more about this in another video, but insane. So paired that with this oversized t-shirt from Uniqlo, and then we rocked the Calvin Klein Marvins, which is they're actually decent. They've obviously straight up copied the Balenciaga Triple S's with like the style, the colorway, but actually rate them. So yeah, that is how I like to style the Cole Buxton joggers. And yes, that is gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as always, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit subscribe down below if you're new. Drop a comment as well. Let me know what you thought of the fit. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see. It's obviously twice a week now, every Sunday and every Wednesday. So let me know in the comment section below what kind of videos you want to see, and I will see you guys on Wednesday.